Hey guys, and welcome back to Plugin. In this video, we'll talk about Search Widget for Google Maps. Now let's get started. First, just open up your WordPress admin panel and hover your mouse to Plugin and click on Plugin List. Now here you have to search for Search Widget for Google Maps. And now install this plugin. Just hit download. Now hit activate. Now our plugin is installed. Now hover your mouse to WP Maps Pro. Now click on Search Widget. Now give the appropriate title for search form and for search box placeholder, and hit save. Now navigate to Manage Maps and click on this pen icon. Now find the option called URL Filter Setting and just enable this. Now hit save. Now we need to create a new page. For that, just go to Pages. Now click on Add New Page. Now give the appropriate title. Now you have to paste this code. This code will be given in the description, and you can also write by yourself. Now in here, we have to paste our map page URL. For that, I'll go to Pages, then find my map page. Now I'll just click on View and copy the URL. Now let's go back, and here I'll paste the URL. Now I'll just hit Publish and click on View Page. Now, as you can see, our search widget for Google Maps is ready. Now let's test it. For that, let's go to Map Page and copy a location. Now let's go back and paste it here. Now, as you can see, we have the location on map, and if you click on it, it will give you the details. And you can also try this with multiple locations. And that's all, folks. That is all there is to know. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more.